The Cryptomania app is a cryptocurrency simulation and learning platform that allows users to practice crypto trading without risking real money. Here's how to use it. Download and install the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Cryptomania. Download and install the app on your mobile device. Open the app and sign up using your email or social media account. Explore the interface. The app has a dashboard where you can see your portfolio, virtual balance, and market trends. Navigate through different sections like trading, market analysis, and learning resources. Start trading with virtual money. The app provides virtual coins to practice trading. Choose a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Use the buy or sell options to simulate real trading. Learn crypto trading. Access the educational materials on blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and trading strategies. Follow market trends and use analysis tools to improve your trading skills. Track your progress. Monitor your trading history and performance on the leaderboard. Adjust strategies based on market conditions.